Hi, this is Rick for EDU Mobile Academy, and welcome to this course on MySQL. MySQL is a server or client-server database that is useful for all sorts of things, typically used with PHP or another scripting language to deliver database content over the internet. So we're going to learn the basic MySQL part of that. And to do that, we're going to download an application called XAMPP. This is a Apache server, a web server, a PHP interpreter or compiler, and MySQL all bundled into one application. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is navigate to Apache Friends. Now, you can also just search for XAMPP like this, and you'll see XAMPP installers and downloads for Apache Friends, and you can use this link, or you can go directly to www.apachefriends.org. The next thing to do is to download XAMPP for Windows or Linux or OS X, whatever is appropriate for your operating system. Once you've done that and you run the application, then you'll be presented with this screen, and it'll be a welcome screen. This is the XAMPP or XAMPP Server Manager. So we'll go to this tab, Manage Servers. We can see that I've already started the servers, and you want to just go ahead and start all. Now you can stop all between sessions if you want, or you can just leave it running. But starting all of them rather than trying to just start one is probably the best. You can see that the three servers that it has started are the MySQL Database Server, the Pro FTP Daemon Server, and the Apache Web Server. So this gives you all three in one convenient location. All right, so once you have that going and the servers are started, and we don't want to close the app, let's just minimize it, then we go ahead and start the MySQL app in the directory in which it's installed. It will probably be in your applications path. You can go ahead and path this out, but on a Mac, it's in Applications XAMPP bin. You should probably just go ahead and export that path to your bash profile, but I'm not going to cover that because on every operating system it's going to be a little bit different. So anyway, the way we run this is we type in we type in MySQL, then -u, and by default the username is root and the password is nothing. So we can just do -u and then root, and this will start the application if I had done it correctly. Actually, in Unix systems, we have to // that for this folder, or in other words, run the application in this folder, and then MySQL -u and then root. And this shows that the MySQL prompt is here. There's a warning here. This is a configuration file that's being ignored. That's okay right now. My connection ID, and then a copyright statement from Oracle, and then it says we can type help or /h for help, typing C to clear the current input statement. All right, so this tells us that the MySQL server is up and running. MySQL is a relational database, and in the next demo we're going to talk about a little bit about what that means and how to start going about creating a database. The last thing we're going to do in this lesson is just to type help to see the options that we have, and we can see that we have many options. All of these help commands must be the first thing on any line. And help, by the way, doesn't need to end with a semicolon, but most of these do. So help or \h displays this page of help so that we can quickly get help about the meta commands of MySQL. Thank you very much.